Hi guys, this is the 24th video of our DBMS question series. So in this video, I'm going to talk about the question set 24. Let's read the first question. Find out the details of the students who got the lowest marks in the subject of science in the second term examination and the class in which he is studying. Okay, let's write the query. Select. Guys, this is the query for the first question. Okay, let's execute the query again. Okay, you can see Sachitra Vikramasinghe is the result. So the next question is class name is 11A. So the next question is arrange the marks obtained by all the students of the science subject held on 2020-315. Okay. Okay guys, this is the query for the second question. We wrote the query and order by mark ascending order at the last. So here is the query. You can see we get this there from the first name, last name of the student, and the subject name from the subject table, and the mark from the student exam mark record table, and the exam date equal to 2023-15. So order by mark ascending order is the last step. Then let's execute the query and see the result. Okay, you can see here is the result 1124. It's ordered by the ascending order. So let's go to the next question. The next question is find information of all students who obtained marks between 40 and 80 in the mathematics subject of the examination held on 2020-7-10. Okay. Okay guys, this is the query for the question number 3. Let's read the query. We select the first name, last name from the student table, and we join student exam mark record subject and also exam term like this, and then we add the condition as mark is greater than 40 and less than 80. Also the subject name is mathematics and the exam date is 2027-10. Okay, let's execute this query and see the result. You can see here are the result for those things. If you want, you can also add this here mark. Then let's see the result. You can see here are the marks if they got. Also we can get subject name, subject name, So term name, let's hit result. Okay, you can see mathematics is the subject name and the term name is the second term name is the second term. So and the marks are all the marks are between 40 and 80. Let's go to the next question. Arrange the above result in ascending order. Okay, let's arrange this result in descending order. So we write here. Okay, this is now arranged in the descending order. So this is the query for the last question. This is the end of the question set 24. Hope you guys to see in my question set 25 video. Thank you guys for watching.